Hi friends, Miss Abraham here. Let me show you how to record a video on Flipgrid. This is what we'll use for some of our assignments, and I think that they are really helpful. So when you click on the assignment to record a video or complete the assignment, it will bring you to a page that looks like this. The first thing it will ask you to do is to use your microphone and camera so you can record a video just like I'm doing right now. You want to click allow, and it will tell you what to do, like how many minutes you have to record. So I'm going to click off of here because it says click anywhere to dismiss. It makes my face look a little wide, but you have options. So just like most of other websites, the 3 dots means different options. You can scroll down right here and it gives you options, but right now we're keeping it simple. You can also add effects like emoji, or if you want to, you can add a frame onto your full Flipgrid video to make it more fun. But basically anytime you click the video button, that means we're recording. So I like this frame, I'm gonna click and it will tell me when to record. Hi, I'm Miss Abraham. When you are finished recording, press the pause button. Okay? If I move myself here, you can say next, and you can review your video. Hi, I'm Miss Abraham. When you are finished recording, press the record. Hi. If you like that, then you can go ahead and press next. If you don't like that, then you can say I need to add more, or you can crop some of it too. That's a little advanced, but we'll just click next. That video was fine. It will also ask you to take a picture to be the thumbnail of your video. So you can take a selfie and it will just take a picture. You can add effects if you want, or you can redo the selfie. Okay. Once you click next, then I believe I'm still learning too. It will upload the video. Okay. I hope that this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.